Hello, children. So far in this chapter, addition, subtraction, and their applications, we have learned how to add, how to subtract. We have also learned how to find out profit and loss. And we have even learned how to find out cost price and selling price. So, in this tutorial, is just a recap of all this. Now, what is the meaning of profit? When the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference is profit. Profit का मतलब है मुनाफा. Let's see a formula. A formula for profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Let's see an example. A boy purchased a watermelon for rupees 80 and sold it for rupees 100. Find the profit. So, cost price is rupees 80. Selling price is rupees 100. So, selling price is greater than cost price. So, it is a profit. So, profit is equal to SP minus CP, which is 100 minus 80 gives you rupees 20. Now, this 20 is the actual profit. Now, let's see the loss. When the cost price is more than the selling price, the difference is loss. Loss का मतलब है घाटा. Let's move on. Let's see the example and formula. Formula for loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Example. A collector buys a painting for rupees 3,500 but sells it for rupees 2,750. Find the loss. CP is equal to rupees 3,500. SP is equal to rupees 2,750. So cost price is greater than selling price. So there is a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So 3,500 minus 2,750. The answer is 750. So the 750 is the loss incurred for the collector. Let's see finding selling price. Formula. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Let's see an example. A tourist bought a walnut chair at rupees 21,000. He sold it at a profit of rupees 1,500. What price did he sell the chair at? CP is equal to 21,000. Profit is equal to 1,500. So let's see the selling price. SP is equal to CP plus profit. 21,000 plus 1,500 gives you 22,500. So this is the selling price of the chair. Next one. SP is equal to CP minus loss. Let's see an example. Uma bought a wall hanging for rupees 8,350. She incurred a loss of rupees 550. What price did she sell it for? Let's see the solution. CP is equal to 8,350. Loss is equal to rupees 550. So SP is equal to CP minus loss. 8,350 minus 550 gives you 7,800. So the 7,800 is the selling price of the wall hanging. Let's move on. Finding cost price. Formula. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Let's see an example. Rakul from Rajasthan sold a puppet for rupees 315 at a loss of rupees 23. What was the cost of the puppet? Let's see the solution. SP is equal to rupees 315. Loss is equal to rupees 23. So CP is equal to SP plus loss. 315 plus 23 gives you rupees 338. So this is the cost price of the puppet. Next one. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Example, Ali sold a carpet for rupees 5,300. He made a profit of rupees 300. What is the cost price of the carpet? Let's see the solution. SP is equal to rupees 5,300. Profit is equal to rupees 300. So CP is equal to SP minus profit. So 5,300 minus 300 gives you 5,000. So this 5,000 is the cost price of the carpet. Now let's see all the formulas together. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. SP is equal to CP minus loss. SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to SP plus loss. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Okay, children. So note down all these formulas and by heart these formulas. If you have understood all this, do the assignments for practice. Thank you.